Here we are here today. It's a beautiful day here. About to head up in the hills here and shoot some audio here for Redgate. Basically, still working on the post-production Redgate audio. I need some outdoor type noises and stuff. So I got my audio recorder with me, armed with the footage from Redgate that I'll be shooting here today. And this is gonna be a lot of fun here tonight, this afternoon, this morning actually. And I'm gonna shoot some footage. And the footage I'm shooting is they're up in the mountains and they're up by this lake and they're coming down this paddling one of the actors' trips and stuff. So I'm gonna try to reenact that up here and get some really good audio, since the audio we shot at the actual location was not very good. So I'm gonna try to do that here today, and let's see how this goes. Well, here we go. This is where it gets a little bit interesting. Here we go, finally getting closer and closer to a destination here. I'm gonna get a really good audio here for the Redgate film. So maybe some ambient audio, gonna be really good stuff here. I'm shortly gonna get out and get some great audio clips here. Here we go. Almost there, almost there. A few more bumps here and we are there. We are officially there, here to shoot some audio up here in one of my favorite locations in Montana. Here we go, folks. Here we go. So what I got here today is I have my H1 or H4n handy recorder. It's a Zoom recorder. These are very high quality recorders. And I'm up here just going to get some ambient noises of the mountains and everything to help with some of the scenes in Redgate, and then I'm going to get some sequences here that I recorded off of my phone of reenactments of sequences I want to get better audio of for the film. So let's just try out the Zoom recorder and get some mountain ambience here for a little bit. So what we have here is, this is my Nix coat here. We have the recorder right here. I'm going to hit record here and start recording here momentarily. I'm going to take this Nix coat, put it over there. The reason I'm doing this is I don't have any wind resistors on these two microphones here, so this will help prevent any wind issues. And I'll put my headphones on, just kind of listen to it as I record, and hopefully I'm hoping to get about 2 minutes of just kind of mountain ambient noise up here, and that should be a good 2 or 3 minutes of just that good solid noise without any wind hitting it, and that should be good for what I need, and I'll move on to the next task after that. So here we go. We got recorder, gonna hit record right now. And it's already started, so we're starting to record right now. So I'll shut the fuck up, and here we go. So right down here, we have some rocks I just set up. Try to simulate rocks being moved, hit, knocked over. Some audio that's in the Redgate film. So I'm gonna put my recorder right here, right next to it. I'm gonna take off my Nix jacket, put that on top of the recorder so I don't get any window or anything. Then I'm gonna record a few footsteps and things that match with the movie, and then I'm gonna do the actual tripping scene here, and hopefully get some good audio here for the movie. Well, that officially wraps up the audio up here. I did a few more audio shoots of the creek here behind me. Kind of the same thing. Put the recorder down, put my sweater over top of it, and just record audio and just see what happens here. And today's a pretty good day. It's not that windy really, and I think I had some really good fucking audio today. So I think this is really going to help here finish this film, hopefully in the next month or so, and immediately submit to the Sundance Film Festival is what we're going to do, because this is going to be the greatest horror film ever seen by fucking mankind. So let's fucking go, bitch. Let's go.